My name is Carter Sirach, and I help entrepreneurs generate sales on autopilot by building a respectable personal brand online. Now, I finally transcended my life and my business to heights that I never could have imagined.
Although my vision wasn't always this clear, let's go back to my humble beginnings. When starting my digital marketing business, I had no traffic, no leads, and I was finding myself spending hours on cold calls that more often than not ended in rejection. I was desperately scraping for any clients that I could get my hands on. My job was far from fulfilling, and I lived in constant fear that some months I wouldn't find clients at all. Finally, I got sick of the status quo. I went against the grain to pioneer my own strategy, exposing the greatest personal brands of all time while studying systems and the human psychology of why people buy. Fast forward to present day, and the principles I've devised have started working wonders in my personal brand and in my marketing agency. I wake up with leads in my inbox. My entire sales process is automated so that I can spend time working on the things that actually matter in my business. I can even work from anywhere in the world straight from my laptop. And people have started taking notice of my recent success in reaching out to me to learn how I generate leads for my business on autopilot. At first, I thought that this was crazy. I thought that this would only work for me and my marketing agency, but to my surprise, the systems began working across many industries. Others started sharing in the success alongside me. E-commerce store owners, agency owners, coaches, creatives. Forget about cold calls. I've developed an evolutionary case study that you can access today to take your business's bank account and your personal brand to the next level while saving you time and money. Not to mention, you're going to be generating leads on autopilot. So drop the cold calls and check out the case study today.